Today, we're diving into a chilling new discovery at Cern that has left scientists scratching their heads. Imagine this, a crucial scientific instrument vanishing into thin air at one of the most renowned research facilities in the world. Intrigued? Let's unravel this mystery together. Welcome to Cern, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, a hub of groundbreaking scientific exploration. Located in Geneva, Switzerland, Cern is home to the Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. Cern plays a vital role in advancing our understanding of the universe, from unraveling the mysteries of particle physics to delving into the fabric of space and time. But recently, a perplexing anomaly has emerged, shaking the foundations of the scientific community. Researchers at Cern are facing a baffling conundrum that defies all logical explanation. The disappearance of a crucial scientific instrument has sent shockwaves through the research teams, raising questions about the very fabric of reality and the implications it may have on their experiments. This isn't just any missing instrument. It's a key piece of equipment used in experiments that probe the deepest secrets of the universe. The instrument vanished without a trace, leaving no clues or signs of tampering. How could something so essential simply disappear in such a highly secure and monitored environment? The scientific community is buzzing with theories and speculation, each more intriguing than the last. In the quest to unravel this enigma, scientists at Cern are delving deep into a myriad of theories and experiments. From exploring alternate dimensions to investigating the possibility of a glitch in the space-time continuum, every avenue is being explored to shed light on this inexplicable event. Some researchers suggest that we might be witnessing a phenomenon that challenges our current understanding of physics. Could it be a window into another dimension or an unprecedented anomaly in the fabric of space-time? The stakes are high, and the pressure is on to uncover the truth behind this chilling mystery. Teams of scientists are working around the clock, utilizing every available resource and technology to track down the missing instrument and understand the anomaly. The scientific world holds its breath as the investigation unfolds, each new piece of data potentially holding the key to a groundbreaking discovery. And then, a breakthrough moment occurs. During the intensive investigation, unexpected data surfaces, sending shockwaves through the scientific community. The implications of this revelation are profound, hinting at a paradigm shift in our understanding of the fundamental laws of the universe. The discovery poses a challenge to everything we thought we knew, opening up a new realm of possibilities and pushing the boundaries of scientific exploration. The data suggests that the missing instrument might have been subjected to forces or phenomena previously unknown to science. This has led to a flurry of new experiments and studies aimed at replicating and understanding these conditions. The excitement and anticipation are palpable as scientists around the world join forces to decode this mystery. As we wrap up our journey into the heart of this chilling discovery at Cern, one thing remains clear: there are still unanswered questions lingering in the air. The implications of this event are vast and far-reaching, sparking new avenues of research and igniting the curiosity of scientists around the world. The mystery continues to unfold, leaving us with more questions than answers. What are your thoughts on this mind-boggling discovery at Cern? Do you think we are on the verge of a new scientific revolution? Share your views in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing science news updates. Join us in unraveling the mysteries of the universe and stay tuned for the latest developments in the world of science. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.